The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Instant Masala Tea Premix preparation. Half cup milk powder. 1/4 tea leaves. Half cup sugar. 4 green cardamoms. 3 cloves. Half a teaspoon ginger powder. Grind into fine powder. Store in airtight container, can be last for 3 months. Instant masala tea from tea premix. Take 2 tablespoons instant tea premix. Add 1 cup boiling water. Stir it well. Instant masala premix tea is ready. Instant coffee premix preparation. Half cup milk powder. Half cup sugar. 1/4 cup coffee. Grind into fine powder. Store in airtight container, can be last for 3 months. Instant coffee from coffee premix. Take 2 tablespoons instant coffee premix. Add 1 cup boiling water. Stir it well. Instant coffee is ready. Enjoy your drink. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.